treatment of accumulated profits, reserves to the retiring partner, treatment of accumulated profits, reserves and losses to the retiring partner. Treatment of accumulated profits, reserves to the retiring partner. Keep your cameras on. General reserve, reserve fund, take it well. All these account, all these accumulated profits and reserves will be distributed to all the partners, including the retiring partner. Journal entry बिल्कुल आपको अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आनी चाहिए. Very, very important. All the journal entries in admission, retirement, in partnership, you should be able to recall any time. ये कहां शो होते हैं? इन द बैलेंस शीट लाइबिलिटी साइड. In the balance sheet liability side you will find all these are accumulated profits and reserves which is earned by all the members including the retiring partner. retiring partner का भी contribution था इसको earn करने में, surplus से इसे अलग करने में. तो हम जब वो partner retire होगा we will pay him his share out of this to all partners capital account. And in old ratio, turn your cameras on everyone. बिलाल, जनरल रिजर्व आपके पास 50,000 रुपए है, 3 पार्टनर है, तीनों पार्टनर में बांट दीजिए. जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू ए, टू बी, टू सी. तीनों पार्टनर का मतलब इनमें से कोई एक पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है. सपोज बी इज रिटायरिंग, इवन देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, यू विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एनीथिंग surplus, workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, or even this credit balance of profit and loss account, all will be distributed amongst the partners in old ratio. तो लॉस की एंट्री क्या होगी? संस्कार, accumulated losses. Here we are crediting partners capital account because we are distributing them this. In that case partners capital account will be debited. कौन कौन से होते हैं? accumulated losses,
सर अचानक वाले लॉस.
प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट का डेबिट बैलेंस, Advertisements,
advertisement,
deferred revenue expenditure account. 3 items. All the partners' capital account will be debited. All the partners' capital account will be debited to again in old ratio. Again in old ratio. और एक एंट्री आपको पहले बताई थी, इफ गुडविल इज ऑलरेडी अपियरिंग इन द बुक, if goodwill is already appearing in the book, then all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Again in old ratio. Vishal, turn the camera on. Push Piplani.
sir, camera on net.
Okay, everybody, practical question. (27 and 28) practical question number 27 and 28, DK Goyal. Practical question number 27 and 28, please take out. And solve it. First of all, 27, ABCD are partners, ratio 1, 2, 3, 4. D retires. His share is taken up by A and B equally. General reserve इसमें शो हो रहा है. You only show the journal entry. You only tell me the journal entry. विशाल, तुम्हें सुनाई पड़ रहा है कि नहीं? विशाल चौहान, टर्न द कैमरा ऑन. तुम्हें सुनाई नहीं देता एक बार में? Practical question number 27, solve. Very soon all of these will be checked. everybody should be seen solving the question. कैमरे को दूर करिए थोड़ा, otherwise I am removing you from the class. Everybody calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. New profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो निकालिए. डी रिटायर्स, तो जो रिमेनिंग शेयर है वो गेनिंग रेशियो, वो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हो गया. And then calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is to be calculated. जनरल रिजर्व, उसमें दिया हुआ है जनरल रिजर्व विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग्स द पार्टनर्स. What is the gaining ratio? Harshit, anybody calculate it? Ansika, general reserve will be distributed in the old ratio. जनरल रिजर्व इज 65,000. सबसे पहले आप इसी की जनरल एंट्री कर सकते हैं. जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू ए कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू बी कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू सी कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड टू डी कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओल्ड रेशियो में 1 2 3 4, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. 6,000, 12,000, 18,000, 24,000 ए बी सी डी में बढ़ जाएंगे. 60,000 रुपए जो हमारे पास जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट में है, डी के रिटर्न अमंग्स द whole amount will be distributed. Injamam, are you getting? Okay. Goodwill. Bilal, did you calculate the goodwill? Up to question number 41, you have to do with the help of this new profit sharing ratio, calculation of gaining ratio, accounting treatment of goodwill, accounting treatment of accumulated profits and reserve, accounting treatment of accumulated losses, writing off of goodwill, revaluation account. With the help of these, you will be able to solve questions up to 41, 42. Practical questions up to 41 you will be able to solve using these. All of you. Gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. Solve these questions and tomorrow I will check your work. There is some network. Yes, Anshika.
Sir, done.
Gaining ratio is gaining ratio.
Sir, 1:1.
Okay, equal. Because the partners have taken the share of the retiring partner equally. तो उन्हें बराबर बराबर हिस्सा मिला होगा. It means they have gained equally. Gaining ratio is equal. तो जो पार्टनर गेन कर रहे हैं उनका अकाउंट डेबिट टू द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर डी. ये हो जाएगा अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. So solve the questions and if there are any problems you ask me tomorrow. Up to question number 40, you can ask your problems tomorrow and day after when we continue the class. Next class, I will tell you about preparation of whole question, full length question of 8 marks. Join your classes in school uniform only. Some are still not getting the point. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.